In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Learn. Zoho Learn is a comprehensive knowledge management and training platform that helps your organization capture, organize, and teach what it knows. We'll walk through building a knowledge base, creating training programs, and making sure learners are assessed and compliant, so your content actually sticks. Start by building your repository with spaces. Think of a space as the home base for a team or a project. Creating separate spaces keeps content focused and prevents people from digging through unrelated material. Give each space a clear name and description so everyone understands what belongs there. Inside a space, create manuals to hold your documentation, and then add articles to those manuals. Manuals work like books, and articles are the pages, where you document processes, standards, or playbooks. Use consistent headings and plain language in articles to make procedures easy to follow and to keep updates simple later on. To make navigation effortless, structure your content into chapters. Chapters group related articles into a logical flow, which helps readers move from overview to details without losing context. Keep chapter titles short and descriptive, and place the most frequently used information near the top. For training, switch to learning to build courses. The drag and drop builder lets you assemble lessons using text, videos, audio clips, or uploaded documents. Mix formats to match the material: quick text for checklists, a short video for demonstrations, or a PDF for reference guides. Aim for compact lessons so learners can complete them in one sitting. Assess understanding by integrating quizzes and assignments into your courses. Quizzes are ideal for quick knowledge checks and can reinforce key points immediately after a lesson. Assignments work well when you want learners to apply a concept, submit a file, or reflect on a scenario. Provide clear instructions and examples, so expectations are unambiguous. Finally, set course compliance to control how learners progress. Use compliance settings to lock the order of lessons, require minimum passing scores on quizzes, and prevent skipping ahead. Choose thresholds that reflect real-world proficiency and align them with your team's standards so completion truly means capability. With spaces, manuals, articles, structured chapters, engaging courses, assessments, and compliance, Zoho Learn becomes the backbone of your internal knowledge and training. Start small, iterate as you gather feedback, and expand confidently as your library grows. You can revisit and refine manuals and courses over time to keep information accurate and training effective. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.